Good evening, everybody. I'm Dr. Annette Mercatante from the Clair County Health Department, and I'm here to share a very important update with you all. As you may have heard, St. Clair County is experiencing a very rapid, accelerated number of COVID cases. It suggests that we have very widespread transmission. With that, we have a record amount of test positivity of 9.5%. And that is, the number of cases represents 144% increase compared to the number of cases in October. Things have changed considerably just since last week alone. And with that, we really need to go over what we need to do and how that's going to impact potentially our lives for the immediate future. One of the things that's most apparent is not only are the individual cases increasing, but cases are increasing from workplaces and schools. And what we know about this is that people are going to need to take it upon themselves to make the changes and the sacrifices needed to get through this process. It is going to be more difficult for businesses and schools to function with a lower amount of staffing and workers. So be prepared for that. And just a reminder of what we got to do to get through this, we want to remind everyone, do not go to work or school while you're ill. This includes whether or not you have had a COVID test. Assume you have COVID-19 unless you know otherwise. If you think or know you've had a COVID-19 exposure, remain in quarantine to the best of your ability for the full 14 days. A negative COVID test while in quarantine is not a ticket out of quarantine. Remember that you can convert to an active case anytime during that 14-day period. Avoid crowds. Wear a mask when you're around people outside of your immediate family or your cohort. Make contingency plans for if you or your family cannot go to school or work or daycare. Avoid indoor dining outside of your home. Carry out if you can. Schedule virtual meetings or social or work-related activities. Do this as much as possible virtually. And definitely avoid extracurricular activities or social gatherings that will put you face-to-face with others, especially from outside your household. Most importantly, we need to support each other during these difficult times as we make decisions and manage to find our way through this. Things will get better, but it is up to us at this point to make the best of the situation. We have to act now, and we're here to support you. Thank you so much.